The first web search engines was Archie, created in 1990 by Alan Emtage, a student at McGill University in Montreal. The author originally wanted to call the program Archives, but had to shorten it to comply with the Unix world standard of assigning programs and files short, cryptic names such as grep, cat, troff, sed, awk, perl, and so on. The primary method of storing and retrieving files was via the File Transfer Protocol, FTP. This was, and still is, a system that specified a common way for computers to exchange files over the Internet. It works like this. Some administrator decides that he wants to make files available from his computer. He sets up a program on his computer, called an FTP server. When someone on the Internet wants to retrieve a file from this computer, he or she connects to it via another program called an FTP client. Any FTP client program can connect with any FTP server program as long as the client and server programs both fully follow the specifications set forth in the FTP protocol. Initially, anyone who wanted to share a file had to set up an FTP server in order to make the file available to others. Later, anonymous FTP sites became repositories for files, allowing all users to post and retrieve them. Even with archive sites, many important files were still scattered on small FTP servers. Unfortunately, these files could be located only by the Internet equivalent of word of mouth. Somebody would post an email to a message list or a discussion forum announcing the availability of a file. Archie changed all that. It combined a script-based data gatherer, which fetched site listings of anonymous FTP files, with a regular expression matcher for retrieving file names matching a user query. 4. In other words, Archie's gatherer scoured FTP sites across the Internet and indexed all of the files it found. Its regular expression matcher provided users with access to its database.